Chapter 3, Part 80. One of Jalal's disciples possessed a slave girl of Roman origin, whom Jalal had named Siddiqah, after Muhammad's virgin wife, Aisha. You know, because other wives of Muhammad were previously married. Aisha Hafsa being the exception. Occasionally, she had miraculous visions. She used to see aureoles of heavenly light, green, red, and black. Wow. Light being green, light being red, light being black. It's just, you know, it's a way of speaking. But various of the angels used to visit her, and souls of the departed. And there's also the jinn colors, you know, so the fire being colors, and then the human and animal and the spiritual side of this material world. That's the distinction too. Her master was vexed at her being so favored above himself. Once he was visited by Jalal and expressed his chagrin to him on the subject. Jalal replied, "True, there is a heavenly light, resides in the pupils of some eyes. These occasionally mislead a few with visions of beauteous form, with which they fall in love. Others they preserve in chastity and lead them to their adored maker. Others again they may lead to take delight in exterior objects, so as to cast their eyes on every pretty face they see, while the wife at home is curtained away from her husband. Thus, whenever God opens a way to anyone, appearing to him and showing him glimpses of the hidden world, he is apt to become entranced therewith, and to lose all power of further progress, saying to himself, how greatly in favor am I. Others, in short, use of every endeavor, but nothing is vouchsafed to them in visions, until they be favored with a special sight of God himself, and they be admitted to a near approach unto him." The girl's master was comforted and bowed to his teacher, whose disciples then broke out into a holy service of psalmody and dancing. Dancing may be too simplistic, you know, because yes, it's a ritual dance, but symbolic movements and stuff is not the same thing as even some of the phrases to describe dances can be considered, you know, so I'm gonna skip that.